So boom, this how we gonna do this hair. We gonna turn this hair green just on the top. I'm seeing that trend on Instagram a lot lately, including Arrogant Tay, Ming Lee. So I said, let me join the bandwagon. So I'm taking my Blondie mix, and you want to mix that with, I'm using a 30 volume developer. If I had a 40 volume developer on hand, I would have used that bitch, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use that 30. And we're gonna mix it till it's a nice consistency, not too loose and not too thick like me. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start off where I want that. Wherever you want that green or that whatever color you want to do, that's where you want to place the bleach, because I need to lighten this hair. I need it to get like a little blonde, a little more than a little blonde, just so that when I place that green color on top, it's going to show up. It's not going to be dark. So we want to bring this black hair and bring it up a notch. And that's why I say 40 volume developer I wish I had, because it would have lifted it a little bit higher and at a quicker pace. But it's okay. It is a-okay. Where's the rush? So I'm just going to continue to just lather. I'm just going to continue to lather the bleach. And you want to do the front and the back. This way it's just not that little front showing. And then whatever I do on the right side, I'm going to do on the left side. Okay. So I'm just going to continue to mix it on in. And then I'm just going to take some aluminum foil just so that it can process quicker and just help the process move. Okay? So you can use that. You can use a plastic as well, like plastic wrap, whichever. And within 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how light the hair had turned. It cranked it up, okay? So this is the blonde that I got. Now, if I really wanted to be Tiana Blanco, I really could have did another bleach on top just to bring it up a notch. But it was a-okay. I was just like, I don't think I wanted that bright after all. So I'm just gonna mix in these Kiss colors, the Kiss and the Adore, and we're just gonna place that on top of that blonde. I was really feeling the pink, but this is late at night. This is midnight that I am doing this, so I ain't got no pink on hand, but pink would have looked super fire. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just mix it all in, and I let that rinse stay on for 20 to 25 minutes, and this is how it came out, y'all. I washed it, pushed it back, combed it out. We deep conditioned it as well, and I'm gonna just show y'all how I'm gonna slay this shit. Let me show y'all how I'm gonna slay this shit right here. Because at first I was like, this shit is not all that. I don't think I could do it. But who the fuck am I kidding? I could do it. And I'm going to show y'all. So just continue to watch as I style this unit. And guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like it. Subscribe.